Hello, I would like to introduce you to the InvisiBezel, a new product from DNP. Actually, you see it right behind me here. The InvisiBezel is an optical front panel to be mounted on the front side of super narrow bezel LCD panels. The aim of the InvisiBezel product is to reduce the appearance of the gaps or the bezels that are separating the image on each individual LCD panel. And as you see behind me here, you actually can make the bezels almost completely invisible. The InvisiBezel product itself is a lens. It's actually an overlay that you put on the LCD panel, and it has an optical functionality in such way that it magnifies the image, it stretches the image a little bit, so that the image actually overhangs the bezel. So instead of seeing these bezels on the video wall, you see images instead. The result is that when you look straight on the display, then you will actually see a physical image separation from one panel to another of less than 1 millimeter. At the same time, InvisiBezel acts as a kind of a protection cover for the LCD panel, since it is made from a relatively thick and strong acrylic plate. The InvisiBezel is mounted onto each individual LCD panel. That means one LCD panel, one InvisiBezel product. It's very simple to mount it. That can be done within a few minutes. It doesn't require any special skills, and you can install the InvisiBezel at the installation site. You don't have to bring the LCD panels to any special facility for doing that. InvisiBezels will be available in all those types and sizes that are needed to match the product range on the market of the super narrow bezel LCD panels. And even existing video walls can be retrofit with the InvisiBezel. If there is a wish to give your video wall a facelift, maybe InvisiBezel could be one way to do that. If you want to learn more about the InvisiBezel, then go to our homepage at invisibezel.com.